Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and today I'm going to show you how to open Mailchimp account. So first let's go to mailchimp.com and then click on login. Now you have to click on create account. So now enter your email. I'm going to put my email, username, and then just type a password. So you have to meet every requirements of the password. So let's see. Alright, now just click on sign up, and then you have to fill in some information. First let's go to email verification. Let's check our email. And there we go. Click on activate account. Alright, so now you just have to fill in some personal information such as your address, and you'll get some questions. Just fill in the details and then you'll be able to create a Mailchimp account. So let me just do this, and there you go. Just click on free plan and then you'll be able to create a Mailchimp account. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.